Let me teach you, today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this beautiful fall leaf. It is super easy to crochet, it has only 2 rounds, and is a very quick make for the fall season. So, are you ready? Let's get started. In order to crochet this leaf, I'm going to use this beautiful yarn from Lion Brand of Two of Wands called Color Theory. It is really fun to use, really soft. It's just simply amazing. I'm also going to use a G plus hook, but you could use a different hook size. I'm going to show you one way of crocheting this leaf, but I will have the written instructions down below as a link, and that also provides you with information how to make it smaller. So this video will focus on one type of leaf, and if you want a smaller version or a larger version, go check out the link down below. In order to get started, please chain 15 chains, and then starting from the second chain from the hook, crochet 1 stitch per stitch. We're starting with 1 single crochet. The next one is 1 half double crochet. In the next 3, you're going to crochet 1 double crochet each. In the next 4 stitches, crochet 1 triple crochet each. The next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet each. By the way, I prefer going into the back bump of my chains. If you haven't noticed, it's also going to make it easier once we go on the opposite side. Now in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet, and in the last stitch, 1 single crochet. Now chain 3 and turn slightly. We're not turning and going this way, but turning this way because we're now going to work on the opposite side of our leaf. So we only made half so far, so now we're going to work on the other side. In fact, I'm actually going to weave in here my end at the same time. So we're now going to work our way backwards, exact same stitches. So start with 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then 1 half double crochet in the following stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1 triple crochet in the next 4 stitches, one double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Now we're halfway through, so we have one more round to go all the way around to make it look more like a leaf. This is one way of making the leaf, but we're going to add something to it to make it really shine. So chain 3. Now 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now chain 3 and slip stitch into the first chain. You're making a picot stitch or picket stitch, depending on how you pronounce it. I'm foreign, so I will probably mispronounce it. In the next 2 stitches, crochet 1 single crochet each. And now again, the same. Chain 3 and a slip stitch into the first chain. Now you're going to repeat that until the end right here. Once you hit the chain, the chain of 3, you're going to place 1 single crochet in there, and then we're going to do something different at the very end here. So 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then again chain 3 and a slip stitch. Continue on. Okay, so now that you placed all the single crochet stitches and these beautiful little edges, we're now going to do the tippy top right here. So you made your single crochet into the chain space. Now you're going to crochet 4 chains. You're going to slip stitch into the second chain, You make one more chain and single crochet back into that chain space. And now start from here going backwards. So chain 3, slip stitch into the first chain, and now 1 and then 2 single crochets. And now you repeat that all the way through the end here. Once you made your last 2 single crochet stitches, you're going to slip stitch right into that chain space. You can add a little stem to it if you like. Simply make a chain and then single crochet or slip stitch back, and then you have a little bit of a leaf stem. But otherwise, you're done and you made your beautiful leaf. Remember, there are the written instructions down below in the description, and I also have written down how to make this bigger as well as smaller. So if you want different size leaves, go check that out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye!